If you're new to crypto, you've probably heard people say it's risky. Stories about hacks, scams, and lost funds can sound scary. But the truth is, most problems happen because of simple mistakes, not because crypto itself is unsafe. In this video, we'll cover the basic security habits every beginner should know. Crypto gives users more control over their money. There's no bank holding your funds for you. That freedom is powerful, but it also means responsibility matters more. When you understand how security works, you greatly reduce the risk of losing your crypto. One of the most important decisions is where you buy or manage crypto. Not all platforms offer the same level of protection. Trusted platforms use security systems like encryption and verification to protect accounts and transactions. They also follow clear processes to help prevent fraud and protect real users. Your account security starts with simple habits. Always use a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of protection, even if your password is compromised. Never share login details or verification codes with anyone. Scams often target beginners by creating urgency or fake offers. Messages promising guaranteed profits are a major red flag. Avoid clicking unknown links or responding to unsolicited messages. Taking a moment to double-check can prevent serious losses. Your wallet gives access to your crypto. That's why wallet security is critical. Always keep your private keys secure. And avoid storing sensitive information in unsafe places. Only use wallets and tools you trust. Crypto transactions are usually irreversible. Once they're sent, they can't be undone. Always double-check wallet addresses. And take your time before confirming any transaction. Being careful prevents unnecessary losses. Many beginners wonder why platforms ask for verification. This process helps prevent fraud and fake accounts. Verification protects real users and supports a safer trading environment. It's a security step, not a barrier. Security isn't only about platforms. It also depends on the devices you use. Avoid logging into crypto accounts on public computers or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Keeping your devices updated helps protect against common threats. Crypto security isn't a one-time setup. It's an ongoing habit. Staying informed and cautious helps you adapt as the space evolves. Security always starts with informed choices. Crypto doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With the right knowledge and habits, you can navigate the space more confidently. By choosing secure platforms, protecting your accounts, and staying alert, you put yourself in a safer position in crypto. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.